Hello guys, welcome to my channel all about products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. Introducing the Rechargeable Clip Light, your perfect lighting companion. Short press to switch between 5 brightness levels or long press for stepless dimming. Enjoy a larger luminous surface with high-quality LED beads for bright, flicker-free light. Easily adjust color temperature and brightness to suit any setting. The adjustable clip provides a secure fit, while the high-capacity battery ensures long-lasting use. USB-C rechargeable with a battery indicator for convenience. Light up your space anytime, anywhere. Enhance your home with the mesmerizing Tabletop Fire Pit, a perfect blend of style and warmth. Its unique spiral flame creates a cozy ambiance for dinner parties, romantic evenings, or special celebrations. Crafted with premium materials and a safe, smokeless design, it's ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Bring warmth, elegance, and real fire into your home. Experience the mesmerizing Tabletop Fire Pit. Keep your home and car spotless with the portable vacuum cleaner. Featuring 2 powerful modes and strong suction, it cleans efficiently and fast. Switch between multiple nozzles for deep cleaning in every crevice, even in the dark with its built-in LED light. Push-button design makes dust disposal effortless, and the washable filter ensures long-term use. Fast charging and always ready, clean anytime, anywhere. Meet the Pro Touchless Vacuum Dustpan, the effortless way to clean. With powerful suction and touchless operation, just sweep, and it does the rest. Always on, always ready. Perfect for professional and home use. Experience powerful 30-watt sound with the portable Bluetooth speaker, featuring true wireless stereo and Bluetooth 5.4 for seamless connectivity. With IP68 waterproof protection and long battery life, enjoy music anywhere, anytime. Introducing the Action 2 dual screen, connect the Action 2 camera unit to the front touchscreen module or power module, then connect them to a computer via USB cable. When connect to a prompt, will automatically pop up for you to select the USB connection type, tap File Transfer. Then you can download the photos and videos stored in the camera unit to your computer. Tap Webcam to enter the webcam mode. Then the camera unit will function as a webcam input device. The bottom of the screen will display webcam, and you can press the power/record button to start recording. Tap the image parameter setting icon on the right of the screen so you can set the exposure and white balance. Are you tired of your laptop overheating? Introducing the Laptop Cooler Cooling Pad. With a high-speed fan, it keeps your device cool and running smoothly. Designed for laptops of different sizes, it also works with various devices. Featuring 2 USB ports and an adjustable height for maximum comfort. Stay cool and boost your laptop's performance today. Upgrade your space with the smart LED music ceiling light. With 16 million RGB colors, stepless brightness adjustment, and warm to cool lighting, set the perfect mood for any moment. Connect via Bluetooth to enjoy immersive music mode, where colors dance to the beat. Control with Alexa and Google Home, or use the remote for effortless customization. Elevate your home with smart lighting today. Looking for the perfect air purifier? It's not always easy. That's why there's a smart choice for you. Clean air at the touch of a button and at the top of a screen with the V-Sync app. You can set up daily schedules, update settings on the fly, or check if you need a new filter. Whenever you need, you can even connect to smart home devices for hands-free control. But our air purifier has so much more to offer than simple convenience. The 360-degree design brings in air from all directions, while the 3 unique filters work together to move a variety of contaminants. Clean air wherever you need it most when it's time for bed, The nightlight and near-silent noise levels help you create a healthy, restful environment with comprehensive features and powerful performance. Transform your space with our 100 Fight Music Sync LED light strips. Watch as the lights change colors and rhythm with your favorite music, creating a romantic and relaxed atmosphere. Easily control colors, modes, and brightness using the remote or app. Installation is a breeze. Just stick the strips onto a clean, dry surface and start enjoying. Perfect for bedrooms, ceilings, desks, or parties, these ultra-long LED strips bring vibrant energy to any room. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.